In this video, we will introduce you to the operations and settings when using DJI Focus Pro Creator Combo. Open the box and take out the objects. Connect the USB-C cable to the power port of the grip to charge and activate the battery. The battery level LEDs light up to indicate activation is successful. Download and install the DJI Ronin app before activation. Press and hold the power button to power on the grip, and select the language on the touchscreen. The grip can be used 5 times without activation. After that, activation is required for further use. Enable Bluetooth on the mobile phone. Launch the Ronin app and log in with a DJI account. Select Focus Grip. Type in the default password, 12345678, and activate the grip according to the instructions. If the camera cage comes with the slide rail, insert the grip to the slide rail and lock the lever on the grip. If the camera cage is not equipped with the slide rail, attach the provided rod adapter slide rail to the camera cage. And then insert the grip to the slide rail and lock the lever on the grip. If the grip needs to be moved horizontally, attach the provided horizontal adapter slide rail before installing the grip. The angle can be adjusted after mounting the grip. The direction of the NATO adapter can be adjusted. Rotate the knob and pull the connector outward and rotate it as needed. Attach the 15mm rod to the rod adapter slide rail and tighten. Attach the motor to the 15mm rod and match the motor gear to the focus ring of the lens and tighten the clamp. Connect one of the USB-C ports of the motor to the motor port of the grip. Swipe up from the bottom of the touchscreen to access Settings. Tap Dial Functions and set to focus. Press once on the function button of the motor and switch to F mode, and press twice on the function button to start calibrating the motor. The front dial can be used to control focus with damping response after motor calibration is completed, and set to zoom. Press once on the function button of the motor and switch to Z mode, and press twice on the function button to start calibrating the motor. The front dial can be used to control zoom with spring back response after motor calibration is completed. Motor status LED, solid red, indicates the motor is calibrated. Blinks red indicates the motor is not calibrated. Press and hold to start linking. Mount the LiDAR to the cold shoe of the camera, or the 1/4-inch screw hole on the camera cage near the camera optical axis. If using an adapter, mount the LiDAR on the position near the camera optical axis. When mounting the camera vertically, make sure the LiDAR is mounted horizontally. Do not mount the LiDAR vertically or upside down. Use a USB-C cable to connect the data port of the LiDAR and the LiDAR port of the grip. The LiDAR is powered by the grip. It can be used once the grip is powered on. Swipe right on the screen to access video transmission. The LiDAR shooting view can be displayed here. LiDAR status LED indicates C1, C2, or C3 lens profiles in use when C1, C2, or C3 is on. Press the function button once to switch lens profiles. Press twice to calibrate the motor. Press and hold to enter sleep mode for LiDAR. Press the AF/MF button once to switch between autofocus and manual focus. The two USB-C ports on the LiDAR are used for firmware updating and connecting to a gimbal or grip. Installation distance needs to be set after mounting the LiDAR. Use the scale on the provided focus card to measure the distance from the image sensor plane of the camera to the glass surface of the LiDAR. In the video transmission view, tap the settings icon on the bottom right corner to access LiDAR settings, and input the value after tapping installation distance. Lens needs to be calibrated before using autofocus. In the video transmission view, tap the settings icon on the bottom right corner to access LiDAR settings. Tap Lens Profile and plus to add a lens profile. Input the lens focal length and then tap Confirm. The motor will calibrate the focus range of the lens. It is recommended that the focus card be used to complete lens calibration after motor calibration is completed. When calibrating the lens, attach the focus card to the wall and place the camera at a distance of 0.5 to 1.5 meters from the focus card. Then align the focus card in the center of the camera view. When the scale pointer ranges from 0.5 to 1.5 meters, rotate the front dial to adjust the focus and check the focus peak. When the focus peak is largest, the lens is in focus. Place the camera at a distance of 4 to 5 meters from the focus card and align the focus card in the center of the camera view. Use the same method to adjust the focus. Tap Confirm to complete lens calibration. Up to 15 lens profiles can be added. Use the same way to add other lens profiles. If you need to delete the lens profile, tap the arrow icon in the lens profile and then tap Delete. If the lens profile is configured in the Ronin app, lens calibration can be shortened using the Ronin app. Access the home page of the Ronin app and select LiDAR lens profile. Tap plus on the C1, C2, C3 to add a new profile. Then select lens brand, lens series, and lens focal length. Tap next to enter the focus ring calibration page. Slide the focus ring to infinity, and then tap Confirm to start lens calibration. The lens profile will be saved after calibration is completed. Point the lens at the focus card. When the image is clear, this indicates it is not necessary to adjust the flange. Tap Complete to confirm. If the image is not clear, tap Adjust. Slide left or right on the slider until the image is clear. Tap Complete to complete lens calibration. The AF tracking sensitivity can be set from 1 to 5. The larger the value, the faster the focus speed. Tap the bottom left button on the screen to switch the focus area. In wide mode, the LiDAR automatically recognizes subjects such as people and focuses on the subject nearest to the center of the camera view. If there are no people in the camera view, the LiDAR will focus on the center of the camera view. In flex spot mode, the LiDAR automatically focuses on the subject in the frame. You can also tap the image or drag select to select the subject. Tap the plus and minus icon to zoom in or out. The default equivalent focal length is 30 millimeters, while the LiDAR focus distance is 0.5 to 10 meters. When the view is enlarged, the LiDAR focus distance is 0.5 to 20 meters. Set the M button function to AF/MF or AMF/MF via the grip touchscreen. AF, the LiDAR will focus automatically. The front dial can be used to select the focus subject in wide mode. MF, users can focus manually via the front dial. The focus range can be adjusted by changing the dial speed. AMF, the LiDAR will focus automatically. The front dial will rotate when the focus changes. Users can focus manually at the same time.